This is a list of the most reliable used midsize SUVs you can buy in 2025. Today I'll show you the top 6 dependable family haulers, breaking down what makes each a smart buy. When you're shopping for a used midsize SUV, reliability is everything. It's about peace of mind, not just features. You want a vehicle that starts every morning, won't leave you stranded, and won't surprise you with big repair bills. I've dug into owner reports and long-term data to bring you the best options for 2025. Let's dive in and find the right SUV for your family. First up, the Toyota Highlander, often the default answer for reliability. The Highlander's secret? Toyota's proven refined technology and bulletproof 3.5L V6 engine. These engines routinely hit 200,000 plus miles with basic maintenance. Catastrophic failures are rare. The rest of the vehicle is just as tough, robust transmissions, reliable electronics, and interiors that hold up for years. A clever feature, the dashboard storage shelf, perfect for stashing your essentials. Downsides? The third row is tight, best for kids or short trips. Maintenance is affordable, and any mechanic can work on these. Low ownership costs and high resale value make the Highlander a no-brainer. It's not flashy, but if you want a family SUV that just works year after year, this is it. The Highlander is for buyers who value dependability above all else. Conservative styling, but unmatched peace of mind. If you want a decade of worry-free driving, the Highlander is the logical choice. It's the gold standard for used midsize SUVs. Next, the Honda Pilot, Toyota's fiercest rival, and a favorite for families needing space and flexibility. The Pilot's 3.5L V6 is smooth, powerful, and durable. Later models fixed early VCM issues. Where the Pilot shines is interior space, a roomy cabin, clever storage, and a genuinely usable third row for adults. One-touch second row seats make kid wrangling easy, and cargo space is massive with the third row folded. Watch for the 9-speed automatic on higher trims. It can be clunky. The 6-speed is smoother and more reliable. Maintenance is simple and affordable with Honda's vast parts network. The Pilot offers nearly all the Highlander's reliability, but with more practicality and family-friendly features. If you need real third-row space and flexibility, the Pilot is hard to beat. It's the practical choice for bigger families. Reliable, spacious, and easy to live with. The Pilot is the family hauler with a bit more heart. For those who want usability and dependability, it's a top pick. A smart, versatile SUV for everyday life. Third, the Mazda CX-9. The choice for families who want style and fun, not just utility. The second-gen CX-9 2016 Plus features Mazda's overbuilt 2.5L turbo engine, reliable and responsive. It feels quick around town, and the 6-speed automatic is smooth and proven. The real draw, premium design inside and out, sleek looks, upscale materials, and a cabin that feels more luxury than mainstream. Mazda's focus on driving dynamics means the CX-9 is agile and engaging, unlike most rivals. Downsides, the third row and cargo space are tighter than the Pilot or Highlander. Build quality is excellent, tight panel gaps, durable interiors, and few reported issues. If you want a family SUV that's fun to drive and doesn't feel like a compromise, the CX-9 delivers. It's the stylish, driver-focused option in this segment. For those who want flair and reliability, it's a standout. Not the most practical, but easily the most fun. The CX-9 proves you don't have to sacrifice excitement for dependability. A unique blend of style, quality, and confidence. Now, the Subaru Outback. A rugged, all-weather favorite that blurs the line between wagon and SUV. Standard symmetrical all-wheel drive gives it unmatched traction in rain, snow, and dirt. Most used Outbacks have a 2.5L 4-cylinder or a 3.6L 6-cylinder, both reliable, especially in 2015 plus models. Subaru's CVT is much improved in recent years, and head gasket issues are a thing of the past. The Outback is built for active families, durable, practical, and ready for adventure. Genius feature-integrated roof rack with stowable crossbars for easy gear hauling. It's strictly a 5-seater, no third row, but the interior is functional, comfortable, and easy to clean. Huge windows mean great visibility, and later models have user-friendly infotainment. If you need all-weather capability and versatility, the Outback is a top choice. Perfect for families who love the outdoors and need a reliable go-anywhere vehicle. It's the smart pick for those who value security and ruggedness. The Outback is the adventure-ready, dependable family hauler. Fifth, the Ford Edge, a domestic SUV that's quietly become a reliable, comfortable contender. The second-gen Edge, 2015 Plus, features improved engines, the durable 2.0L EcoBoost, a robust 3.5L V6, and the powerful 2.7L twin-turbo V6 in the Edge ST. The 6-speed automatic is solid, and reliability is much improved over older Fords. The Edge stands out for its quiet, refined ride. Excellent for highway cruising. Higher trims get the Sync 3 infotainment system, which is fast and easy to use. Note, the Edge is a 2-row 5-seater only. No third row here. Interior quality is a big step up, with soft touch materials and a clean design. Owner satisfaction and reliability ratings have climbed thanks to better build quality. If you want a near luxury ride without the price tag, the Edge is a great value. It's ideal for those who prioritize comfort, tech, and a smooth drive. The Edge proves American brands can deliver dependable used SUVs. For quiet comfort and strong engines, it's a smart, overlooked choice. A solid pick for families who don't need a third row. Finally, the Hyundai Santa Fe, a brand transformed from budget to top-tier contender. The 3rd Gen, 2013, 2018, and 4th Gen, 2019 Plus Santa Fe offer great value and reliability. Hyundai's long powertrain warranty often means used models still have coverage, huge peace of mind. Engine options include a solid 2.4L, a turbo 2.0L, and a robust 3.3L V6. Just check recall history on certain years. The latest models are packed with tech big touchscreens, digital clusters, and advanced safety features. Standout features Safe Exit Assist, which prevents rear passengers from opening doors into traffic. The Santa Fe offers more features per dollar than almost any rival. Think heated seats, panoramic sunroof, and more. Interior quality and styling have improved dramatically, making it feel modern and upscale. It's a top pick for buyers who want value, tech, and a long warranty. Do your homework on recalls, but a well-maintained Santa Fe is a fantastic deal. Hyundai has earned its place among the most reliable used SUVs. For savvy shoppers, the Santa Fe is a feature-packed, dependable choice. There you have it. 6 of the most reliable used midsize SUVs for 2025. From the bulletproof Highlander and spacious Pilot to the stylish CX-9, rugged Outback, comfortable Edge, and value-packed Santa Fe, there's something for every family. Think about your needs. Third row, all-wheel drive, driving fun, or comfort. Match your priorities to the right SUV. Always get a pre-purchase inspection to avoid hidden problems. Share your experiences in the comments. Your insights help other buyers. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more practical car buying advice. Thanks for watching.